Hi, this is Jamie from Shanti Kai with a quick tip for you on working with our Indigo Light. So Indigo Light is one of my most favorite essences, and it is from our color line. And it is formulated to help clear psychic debris and break through third eye blockages, reach expanded states of consciousness and awareness, to attain higher states of wisdom, and in general, just to really access and harness the powers of your intuition. Practical way of working with this essence would be to apply it over your third eye, temple, space of your skull, throat, front and back, right? And just throughout your aura, especially your crown. Before you meditate or have to focus or concentrate, or anytime you feel blocked or stuck, if you're having trouble envisioning the future as you would want it to be, or if you're having trouble seeing things, having clarity, or breaking through problem solving, anything where you feel like you're locked into an old belief system or confined, it is said that every image we process throughout the day eventually has to be cleared out, right? So when you meditate or you pray or you have some sort of even exercise, oftentimes that can be a way to filter all the garbage we take in, right? And when I say psychic, I'm referring to psyche meaning of the soul, okay? So anything that your soul, anything you see, anything your eyes take in, you probably heard that children's song like be careful, oh be careful little eyes what you see, or something like that, right? Anything you see has to get filtered through your subconscious. Your third eye can become a little bit like a garbage compactor. And so when you use this essence, it helps to clear it out, right? And anything that you can do to help clear your energy or to help clear your third eye chakra on its own is going to help you raise your awareness, expand your inner vision, help you access your intuition and have more clarity. Also can be a great augment for anybody doing healing work or any kind of consultation or reading where they give insight or intuitive information. And also if you're doing any kind of dream work, meditators, if you're having trouble calming your mind. If I have head tension, I like to spray this on my head and like all around, directly on the skin. Sometimes I pair it with our Hope blend or our Release It blend, and that can really help further lift any kind of tension that I'm feeling. And I also think this works great with any sort of healing visualization where you're working with the color blue or the indigo light. Also very good for cultivating energies of higher learning in people of all ages. So that is our Shanti Kai Indigo Light. Thank you very much.